all right? To all my hungry foodies out here, this is How to Foodie Nation. And today, back with me is Marina.
Hello.
From the Messy Apron, and she'll be teaching us all about Madeleines. So let's get baking. So Madeleines, delicious.
Yes.
Cupcakes.
Yes. So it's a sponge cupcake coated in raspberry, strawberry, any kind of jam, but I think the traditional thing is raspberry jam. But for this one, you could do whatever jam you want. And then you coat it in desiccated coconut.
Okay.
So yeah.
Sounds fancy. But I know there are two kinds of Madeleines actually. So there's like the one that we're doing, which is I think English.
Right. So this one is an English one, and then there's the French Madeleine, which is, I think you all should know it. It looks like a seashell.
Yeah, they're very cute.
Yeah.
So this is the other kind.
Right, the other
kind.
kind. The kind you will find in the bakery.
Yeah. All right. So how do we start?
Okay. So first we're gonna cream our butter and sugar. If it wants to come off.
Softened.
Yeah, at room temperature.
Right. Well, let me help you do this now.
Yeah,
so I will come over here. Thank you.
Right.
Let me smear that over there. You're welcome.
And then, so you could slowly add your sugar in while you're thinking. So start slow, so it don't. Yeah. Okay. And I'll just add a little at a time. And you want it to get light and fluffy. This makes the cake much lighter.
You know me, I must get sugar everywhere, somehow. Shooting the gill, don't frighten. I know, it's nice and slow. So if we weren't making Madeleines, this is also a good recipe for a regular sponge cupcake?
Yep. And you could also make it as a cake. I think it would make like 1 8-inch or like 2 6-inch cakes.
Okay. I need to come to my proper hand. I was just trying to be nice, and give it some space. All this action? Well, I mean, I need to get the sugar all on the side. I don't know if you should have left me with this job for real. I feel like we might end up with butter and sugar outside of the bowl. Don't run! Don't run from the mess. You are the messy apron.
Not today. That's your job.
Okay, I feel I need to stop. Just to can you shove those bad boys down in there? Scrape away. Sorry.
Sorry.
I have my weapon out here and I'm attacking you.
Okay, so.
Well, I mean, just. Yeah.
You're sorry now, you're just sorry.
It's just us. All right, cool. So we going again?
Yeah.
And I put it right back all the way outside again. That's okay. It's gonna happen. It's gonna get mixed. So how long do you think we mix it like this?
Between 5 to 10 minutes. Honestly, sometimes I'll do it for longer. Because this is the secret to like a very fluffy cake.
I feel like it set me up. 5 to 10 minutes? Okay guys, I guess I'll be doing this for 5 to 10 minutes. Oops.
Alright, so that should be good.
Yeah? Alright, cool. So what's next?
So see, it's nice and light and fluffy.
And not too messy.
Right. So what you want to do, actually we can scrape it down.
Okay, sure. There you go.
I'll scrape it down first. And then we'll add in each egg one at a time, and then you'll just slowly beat it in. Okay,
so we continuing on the whole low and slow kind of vibe.
Yes.
Lovely, lovely. And they're supposed to help texture?
Yeah, you don't want to overbeat the eggs either.
Ah, I see. All right, so we'll go on one this time. There we go. That's good?
So then I'll add in the vanilla essence.
Right. And I can mix again? Yes. It's a mixed party.
Okay.
Yeah.
And then I'll add the salt and baking powder to the flour.
Okay.
And then now we'll alternate flour and buttermilk into this. So we'll do 3 portions of flour and 2 of the buttermilk. So you want to end and start with flour.
Okay.
You're dry.
Any particular reason we're using buttermilk instead of regular milk?
Actually, buttermilk helps with the moisture in the cake, so it makes it a little bit more,
Okay, okay.
So, yeah.
Well, you ain't need for me to get on my mixer. Right, you're just coming in with the things. All right. It's time to come together, man. Well, you know what? If you don't have buttermilk at home, can't you like substitute it for something?
You could actually make your own.
Okay, how do you do that?
You would use, I think it's 1 cup of regular milk to 1 or 2 tablespoons of lemon juice or lime juice.
You could use vinegar too, right?
Yeah, you could use vinegar as well. And
things I find out when I Google.
You let it sit for a while and like a half an hour and you'll get buttermilk. Alright.
I think we need to scrape the sides.
Yeah, so you
because
could
we got some
using
flour.
the mixer and I'll just finish mixing it with the thing.
There we go.
Take that off after.
Yeah. We'll scrape these guys after. And I'll eat the batter. Get in it?
Yes, ma'am.
Good to go, good to go.
Right, you could have yours.
Thanks. So I won't eat here in front of my foodie family.
So this batter should make 12 cupcakes.
Okay.
Alright, so then to finish, you just want to like fold it in.
And this is going back to the point of not overbeating your eggs.
Right. Or your batter on the
Or your batter.
Yeah.
It's tasty though. Very vanilla.
Good. Alright, so this should be fine.
Right. So now you need your cupcake tray.
Yes.
Okay, so let me grab that for you. Move this guy over here. All right.
So usually I use a 1/4 cup measure, and you want to fill your cups like 2/3 the way up.
Okay.
So it has the rest of the way to
rise.
Yes.
Got it.
So you want to do this?
I mean, I could help you if you like, you know.
I find so.
I
just put them
into work. You just put them into work. You'll hire me?
Yeah.
I mean, if I do a good job here.
Okay.
Okay. You see, the first one you give me, I'm not done already.
Okay. No.
Let's try. Yeah, no, I feel like you gotta take this job back from me. No, all the batter's stuck in the cup. What do you want me to do?
Use your finger now.
Well, oh gosh, I'm trying to be wholesome and not get dirty and keep it put together.
Wholesome.
It's an effort, okay? It's an effort. Well, I'm gonna try at least like one more now to show the people I can do something. I mean, I have baked a few cakes before.
Organize.
Look. We in it.
We're cooking with gas.
All right, so we're just gonna finish these off.
Yeah.
And then into the oven.
Yeah, we're gonna bake it for like 12 to 15 minutes at 350.
Okay.
All right, so we are back, and so we put the cupcakes into the fridge or the freezer, either one you want to, for a while so that it gets a bit firm.
Okay.
So that it's easier to work with when you have to coat
and do the dippings.
Yes.
Got it.
Right. So first we're gonna take off the liners. So you can take one off.
You want my sister? Yeah. Certainly.
Right.
There you go.
Cool. And then I'll show you one, and then you will help.
Okay.
Okay. So we're gonna Actually, I do it wrong side.
Who's the expert here?
Not me.
So you have it the right side
every
now.
time I come, it's not me. So you just coat it in the jam.
Right.
You put this in the microwave for a bit until it gets like runny and easy to use. So we coat the whole thing.
What flavor jam is this?
Strawberry.
Right, and you were telling me the traditional flavors are strawberry and raspberry or something like that.
Usually it's raspberry, I think. But yeah.
I like strawberries more anyway.
Well, right, so then from there, we put it in the coconut.
Oh.
So it's easier to handle this way.
The fork makes it so much better because then you don't have to get your hands messy.
Exactly. And then, voila. Oh gosh. There we go.
Very nice.
So
I feel like I know it's my time now. So I'm doing it the right side. Can I do this?
yeah.
Yeah, because I feel like you're waiting way more time and I'm just trying to be efficient.
Hurry it up.
Yeah, basically. I mean, the quicker we do this, the quicker we get to, I don't know, eating.
True.
Okay, and I will use this to kind of even it out a little bit so it's not like super messy.
Right.
Look, 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 I teach you new things. You're welcome. Right, so now, roll. And pop.
Yeah, they're soft so they eat. You have to be careful.
Okay. I think we get, wait. There we go.
Okay.
Not a bad job. That was easy. So we're gonna do the rest now?
Yes.
All right, okay, let's keep going. Ta-da, right? Ta-da. These are so pretty, so nice. They smell so coconutty and good. I think you did a really nice job.
Thank you, but you helped too.
I did. I did all the mixing and I mean, don't try to figure out which one of these is mine. The nicest one is the one that I did, okay? So are we gonna taste?
Yes.
In a split one?
Yes.
Oh.
Okay. You go.
Let me help you. Ooh, this is so moist, guys. Is that all the buttermilk?
Soft. Yeah. And the beaten of the
So basically,
butter
I got
and
it like
sugar.
this.
Yeah.
Okay.
So soft. And fluffy.
It's like a pillow in the mouth. So good. Good job. Guys, be sure to check the recipe down below in the description box to see how to make these step by step, of course.
And you could even garnish them any way you like. So you could just put plain cherries on top. Or,
Like the maraschino cherries.
Or you could put like a bit of icing and then put the cherry, however you feel like decorating them.
Fancy. Yeah. These were good. I want to eat some more.
Yeah.
So what you going to teach me next?
Anytime rumbles?
I mean, okay. But I need another dessert.
Well, we'll think about it.
Okay.
And we'll let you know.
Guys, tell us in the comments what you'd like Marina to come back and teach us. And be sure, of course, to subscribe, like, and share this with all your friends and family. We're going to finish these. So until next time, bye-bye.